Hello everyone and welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to do a breakdown of a trade that we took earlier in London. It's about a gold scalp, a gold sell that happened in the London session. 641 people took it with us, plus 182 pips, plus 3.6k USD in profit and 1 to 4 risk to reward. This is just one of the trades that we took. We are taking around 10-15 scalps per day. So if you get inside this group, you will have access to them in real time. But also I wanted to explain exactly our technique, why we trade the way we trade, what we saw in order to take this scalp, how you could have taken it, and so on. So now I'm on 3 minutes, but honestly I should go a little bit on 4 hours to show you exactly the situation. So there was another break of structure that happened to the downside. Strong bearish momentum over here, and as we can see, the price approached the wick over here, a wick that of course needed to be filled and still needs to be filled, right? Whenever there's a wick, that represents some kind of liquidity, and I expect the price to come and fill at least 25-50% of it before deciding to go in the other direction. Today is Monday. It's the beginning of the week. We go on 15 minutes now to see the refined candles. So let's have a look quickly at the Asian session. What happened in the Asian session? Well, the Asian session simply continued the bearish momentum that happened last Friday with the news. It had a pullback. There was this POI that caused the move. There was a break of structure to the downside, not just one but 2 breaks of structure inside the Asian session, and then a strong week of manipulation, a strong week of rejection that again needed to be filled. So I marked that. As you remember from earlier, I mentioned the fact that any week needs to be filled at least 20-50%, or even to simply get overtaken. So now I will go on 3 minutes because this was my entry time frame as a scalper, and let's refine it a little bit more. So 2 15-minute break of structures to the downside that happened in Asia. After that, the Frankfurt session came. It formed a lower high and a higher low, which meant that most likely London is going to come and take the high as liquidity, which actually happened. London came to the extreme of the last break of structure that happened in Asia and gave us another nice bearish reaction. And when I saw the fact that the bearish movement is confirmed and London is actually heading for the week and to continue a little bit lower, to continue with the bearish momentum overall, remember the week on 4 hours on the left, then I considered that me and my team should take an entry as well, which we did. We took an entry over here. It was still inside the London hour of volume. This was the area where we layered. We took multiple layers. And our targets were pretty clear. We wanted to see 25%, even 50% of the week being filled. This was our last target. We had multiple TPs. There was some accumulation in this area, some resistance from this demand zone, but it finally broke through it. The price went lower. It filled the week, and then after taking the sell side liquidity, it went and took the buy side liquidity as well and continued its movement further. So overall, this was the trade idea. This is exactly what generated us over $3,000 in profit this morning, around 1 to 4 risk to reward, and plus 180 pips on gold. We are going to take more trades today. We won't stop here. We will follow the waves, we will follow the movements. So go ahead, check the link in the description, sign up for free and trade with us.